Building your dream PC dive in. Hey there tech enthusiasts, it's Linus here and today we're diving into the awesome world of building your own desktop PC. Forget those pre-built boxes, we're talking custom creations tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative pro, or just want a machine that screams performance, building your own PC is an incredibly rewarding experience. This guide will be your roadmap, taking you through each step of the process. We'll break down the components, demystify the jargon, and give you the confidence to bring your dream PC to life. Get ready to unleash your inner tech wizard. Why DIY trumps pre-built? Unleash the power. So why go through the hassle of building your own PC when you can just buy one off the shelf? Well, let me tell you, the advantages are huge. First off, customization is king. You get to choose every single component, from the processor to the graphics card, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your needs and budget. No more bloatware or unnecessary extras. Building your own PC means you only pay for what you need. Plus, you gain a deep understanding of how your computer works, making troubleshooting and future upgrades a breeze. Trust me, the satisfaction of booting up a PC you built yourself is priceless. Essential PC parts, your building blocks. Before we jump into the build, let's break down the essential components that make up a desktop PC. Think of these as the building blocks of your digital fortress, motherboard, the central nervous system of your PC, connecting all the other components. CPU, central processing unit, the brain of the operation, handling all the calculations and instructions. RAM, random access memory, short-term memory for running programs and multitasking smoothly. GPU, graphics processing unit, the visual powerhouse responsible for rendering images, videos, and games. Storage, SSD, HDD, where you store your operating system, files, and games. SSDs are lightning fast, while HDDs offer more storage capacity. Power supply unit, PSU, the heart of your PC, providing power to all the components. Case, the chassis that houses and protects all the internal components. Choosing the right components is crucial, and depends on your specific needs and budget. Gearing up, tools, and prep. Now that you've got your components sorted, let's gather the tools and make some preparations. Don't worry, you won't need a full-blown workshop. Here's what you'll need. A Phillips head screwdriver, your trusty sidekick for most of the build. An anti-static wrist strap which protects your components from static electricity. Zip ties or Velcro straps for cable management. A well-lit workspace because good lighting is crucial. And of course, your motherboard manual, your Bible throughout the process. Before you start building, ground yourself to discharge any static electricity. Lay out all your components and tools within reach, and take a deep breath. You got this. From parts to powerhouse, assembling your rig. Alright, it's time to get our hands dirty and assemble this beast. We'll break down the build process into manageable steps, but remember to consult your motherboard manual for specific instructions. First, install the CPU on the motherboard. This can be a bit tricky, so be gentle and follow the instructions carefully. Next, install the RAM sticks in their designated slots. Make sure they click into place. Then, mount the motherboard inside the case. After that, install the GPU in its slot. Connect the power supply and route the cables. Connect the storage devices, whether it's an SSD or an HDD. Finally, double-check all connections and screw everything in tightly. Take your time, be patient, and don't be afraid to consult the manuals or watch tutorials if you get stuck. The key is to work methodically and ensure everything is properly connected. The moment of truth, boot up and beyond. The moment we've all been waiting for. With the build complete, it's time to connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse and hit the power button. If everything goes according to plan, you'll see the BIOS screen, which means your PC has successfully posted or power on self-test. From here, you'll need to install your operating system and drivers. Once that's done, you're ready to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember to update your drivers regularly and keep your system clean for optimal performance. Level up your tech game, keep exploring. Congratulations, you've joined the ranks of PC builders. Building your own PC is an empowering experience that opens up a world of possibilities. Don't be afraid to experiment, tinker, and upgrade your system as your needs evolve. Remember, the learning never stops. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible with technology. Until next time, happy building.